guys, welcome back to Nadira's kitchen. Today we're going to be making the trending tortilla wrap hacks. If you're new around here and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. So you're going to need some tortilla wraps, you're going to need some potato waffles, you're going to need some ketchup and mayonnaise. You also need some cheese. So here I've used cheddar and mozzarella. You're going to need some chicken nuggets or any type of chicken. So I've used chicken goujons here. So these are all the ingredients you need, and I'll put them in the description below. So first you need to take a tortilla bread and cut a slit into it across the middle, stopping at the halfway point. From there, you need to divide the tortilla into 4 quarters, placing a different ingredient in each section. Starting with the section of the tortilla where the cut was made, fold upwards and then keep making folds moving in the same clockwise direction until you're done. Then all that's left to do is heat things up, which you can do with a panini press or in a pan, making sure to flip your wrap to make sure both sides get nice and toasty. After a few short minutes, you'll have a perfectly portioned and mouth-watering wrap waiting for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what other cooking or baking you would like to see me do. Please share with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!